Have you ever desired hot oyster soup from a vending machine? No? Well, you can't get that in any old place, but you can get it in Japan.
As well as corn soup, edible bugs, bread in a can, fish in a bottle, and a banana, which in itself isn't that crazy, except it's a whole vending machine of just bananas.
And for the next 168 hours, which is a week, everything I eat has to come out of a vending machine. It literally doesn't have to. I just thought it'd be fun. Let's begin. Oh, if that isn't the daintiest little beverage ever. Let's put this in my intestinal system. So it looks like pee a little bit, but some of the best drinks in life look like pee. It's like someone was thinking about a lemon and then farted. Gonna have to give Match a 4 out of 10. But let's go try something crazier. Now, what's better than one vending machine?
1,000 bajillion dollars. Olive Garden.
3. Nothing like cracking open a bottle of C with the boys. With a boy. Cause why is it good? This tastes like a melted down popsicle in the best fucking way. This is really good. Gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Yeah. Anyways, I hopped on the bus and went to a vending machine that I knew had some delicious hot soups in it. I pulled my coins out, put it in the machine, and baby, dinner time. I couldn't tell you what this is. If a gun was pointed at my head and they said, "What is in this can?" Wouldn't be able to tell you. I'd be shot. Oh. Pour up, baby. There are chunks. I really don't know what the fuck that is, y'all. Maybe if I consume a chunk, it'll give some insight into what this is. It's carrot. So what the fuck else is in here? The jury's out on this one. I have no clue what I just consumed. Let's move on to corn soup. Cheers, friends. It's really fucking good. 4 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Date. Not gonna do a handstand. Day 2, let's get a little delicious drink. This like emo Mountain Dew is calling my name. Oh, it's literally just Mountain Dew. Which isn't a bad thing. So, I found something remotely resembling food. Come with me, come with me. You may have noticed that all the vending machines we've seen so far are literally liquid beverage, and my stomach needs. So that brings us to this. I saw these and I was like, oh, another beverage, one would think, but no. If you watched my previous video from Cat Island, these are bottles with in them. Who is this man?
Fish, please.
Another fun little thing about Japan is they will take any bill. You could like piss, shit, and do other liquids on a dollar bill, and it'll just take it. Oh, he's really just floating in there. Well, let's go cook this. Yum. I don't know if he can physically come out. It looks a little small. Oh.
Hello.
There he is. There's deadass no way to get him out.
How the fuck did he even get in here in the first place?
I will get you out of here. He said it could not be done, but I've done it. I do feel bad for little bro, so we're gonna give him a proper burial. Swim away, king. Swim away. Also, please don't plug my fucking toilet. I need to poop here. Oh, shit. Well, here we are, drinking yet another piss-flavored beverage. That shit just tastes like chicken noodle soup. I don't know why our boy Harold had to be involved in this situation. Calling it a fucking day, I'm so hungry. Day 3. We got a little baby vending machine here. This one is pretty standard, but I'm trying something a little different. I'm getting a coffee. I absolutely despise coffee. So I thought I'll give it a try for the first time in like 2 years. Ow! This coffee is so hot,
Yes, hot. Japan vending machines have hot beverages, and they literally heat this with like nuclear radiation. I'm going into this with a hopeful spirit. I want to like coffee, okay? I'm at a park where there's apparently a bread in a can vending machine, because that's what we're down to. But knowing Japan, it's gonna be better than American bread in a can, if that exists. Hey girl. Welcome to Pan Can. So I thought these tourists were American. So I was like, y'all getting bread in a can? And they said, because they were Russians. Anyways, put my coin in, got my can. Then I noticed I was being watched by this kind little lady. It's bread. Who was excited to watch me get bread in a can. And then she got some bread in a can herself. Y'all don't know how hungry I am. I just got one of these do not eat things. What now? This looks like a mix between insulation and if you put SpongeBob in a blender. Yeah, the bread was ass, but I was like, oh my god, I'm at the park. I can be like one of those old people that like throws bread at the birds. The birds wouldn't even eat the bread. So I took it to the trusty toilet and flushed it to the same place Harold went. Now, how could I make things worse for myself, you might ask? Well, I thought, I'm so hungry, what if I eat something so gross I never get hungry again? Meet the bug vending machine. Y'all already know I had to dress for the occasion. Kyoto. Oh my fucking god. See, I've done this once, which is already a crazy number of times to have eaten bugs, but we're gonna do it a second time. I got him by his little legs here, down the hatch. I need to find another vending machine for a drink.
You know what? I'm gonna save them for later.
Oh, what did I say? Wait, because why is this delicious? Look at this little smiley face. He's smiling because he knows how juicy and delicious he is. I'm like, this is so good, while it's like mixing with the carcass of a dead cricket in my stomach. Well, that was dinner. We're getting even more cursed. This is the horror vending machine corner. Don't know what that entails. They do have a popcorn machine though. It's basically these scary ass vending machines that have mystery boxes in them. Could be a bomb, could be human remains. It's a real fun surprise. A real tourist attraction. I'm gonna use humor to lighten the horrific mood. What would Ice Spice say if she tried to order this drink for $1.30? Like what? Let's keep it a buck. There's a man watching me say that. Let's crack these bad boys open. Fuck me. It has a note strapped to the outside. This feels so YouTuber like.
I called Among Us imposter at 6 a.m.
Me opening this like I remotely know Japanese. Don't know what that says. Oh. Cookies! That's how you do it. You make people think you're about to open a fucking bomb and then it's cookies. Let me give these boys a try. Look, it's an animal cracker. Woo! If this is cookies too, I'm gonna fucking scream. Alright, well, could've been worse. Gonna rate it a 5 out of 10. This will sustain me for a good 30 minutes. So the animal crackers did not sustain me. I need sustenance. So I went to a banana vending machine that only has banana. We got a banana vending machine. This isn't anything too crazy. I know Japan has created anime, but this is just bananas. Which one will I pick? And I absolutely unloaded. No one man requires this many bananas. Sesame, bitch! Oh my god. I know some of y'all are freaks. You get to see nothing.
Day 7, the last day, let's go.
I literally just stumbled around and found a vending machine that looked like it had food, and it did sort of, except the food was something called natto. Natto is fermented soybeans, and natto tastes like if you left milk out for 9 years and mushed it into a ball. Words cannot describe how bad it tasted. And now, I'm gonna go order Domino's.